If ICE detains you, what should you know? Knowing your rights can make all the difference. Hi, I'm Jennifer, immigration lawyer based out of Boston. Let's get into it. If you are detained by ICE, you have the right to remain silent. Do not answer questions about your immigration status. Simply say, I am invoking my right to remain silent. Do not sign any documents without a lawyer present. ICE may try to pressure you into signing something like a voluntary departure form, which could harm your case. Request a phone call to contact a lawyer or family members when you are detained. If you already have a lawyer, tell ICE that you want to speak to your lawyer. Provide your lawyer's name if asked. Stay calm and do not resist arrest. Resisting could lead to additional charges or complications with your case. Knowing your rights can make the difference in how your case moves forward. Save this video for future reference and share it with anyone that might find it helpful.